Alright, so we have a line here. It's the main circuit line, and we need it to be a little bit longer to reach another fixture over here. So we have to make an extension, and so it's as simple as just making another connection. It's not anything complicated or anything. So for Caleb here, it's Caleb's first day, and so he's kind of on the learning path right now. So Caleb, when we have something where we don't have enough wire to get to this fixture over here, a bit of extra wire here, and I'm just making a normal connection, stripping the wire. So strip the wire, take one from each, right? Twist it together. Then you take a copper crimp, fit it on there, some pliers, crimp it together. Get it nice and snug. Oh, I'm not using the right part. There we go. And these are called DBY connectors, and so it has grease filled in the tube, which helps protect it from erosion or corrosion, all that kind of stuff. So you shove the wire down into the grease, and then you have 2 exit points for wires. So we have one wire coming from this way and going out this way. Grease tube connection. Go in. Wires are going the same way. Clip. So now we're extended. We're nice and sturdy. It's not going to fall apart. Now we'll go all the way over here. I'm going to keep a little bit of slack. This is from start to finish on this next connection. So we'll go here, we'll cut the wire. Now we have a little extra strand there. We'll cut down the middle of it to split the 2 wires in half. Pull them apart. And take strippers. It's 12-2 wires. And again. There we go. So now we're stripped, and then we have our lead off of our fixture here. So do the same exact thing. It's all repetitive process, super easy. It's not anything crazy. Low voltage electrical is actually something that's not too difficult. What makes it really difficult for a homeowner to do landscape lighting for themselves is there's a lot of specialty work that goes into it. So this is just a regular landscape light, right? But then you have core drill lights, you have lights like we have at this house. Actually, Al, if you look up there, show them up there. So that's a 3rd story. We're gonna have 3rd story fixtures up there. We have to use a 42-foot ladder to get up there, and that's something that you want to leave to the professionals. But anyway, we got these both going. We're gonna go 1 for 1. This one's easy because one side's silver, one side's copper, so you'll be able to tell. You just go 1 silver, 1 copper. There you go. So now we went from over here where we had a short wire. We made an extension here. Then we came to here, made the connection to the fixture. So this whole part right here was missing. It's really simple, nothing too crazy, but I just figured we'd show you guys how it's done. If you guys have any questions, let us know. If you want to see any more tutorials like this, just let us know. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit a like on the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Later.